How to get high paying dream clients chasing you with a mini personal brand. I know you're sick and tired of chasing clients every single day, getting no responses, or when you do get responses, you get told to F off. Don't worry, I've been there. In this video, I'm going to go through exactly how you can get high paying dream clients chasing you. Okay, they're going to chase you, they're going to come to you, you're going to track them. Okay, first of all, I want to go through who this isn't for, because I don't want people on here watching who don't understand what I'm about to say. So this isn't for beginners who do not have a solid offer. If you're still a beginner but you have a solid offer, you have some proof of concept, like beginners like in business is 2-3 years, you're still a beginner, like if you're that far in. But I'm saying if you don't have a solid offer, okay, this isn't for you. So if you don't have an offer in line, it's not for you. And this isn't for people who aren't willing to put in the work on their end. So if you're not willing to put in the work on your end, this isn't for you. And also this isn't for you if you're someone with zero proof of concept. So if you haven't even done the thing yourself that you sell, you have no proof of concept. But if you have clients' results, that is proof of concept. But your proof of concept can also be you yourself doing it. So you've gone through what you actually sell and you've done it yourself and you've got results from it, because that's why you sell it. That's proof of concept. So if you don't have proof of concept, you don't have any clients' results, this isn't for you. And this isn't for you if you're someone who's afraid to get on camera. Okay, I'm not even going to go into detail about that. If you're afraid to get on camera, just get off this video. Okay, and next is who this is for. So this is for online coaches and agencies who have a solid offer. Okay, so you have some sort of offer in line, you have a solid offer, it's proven to work, you have proof of concept of that offer. And as I said, that's if it's worked for you, and if you've got multiple clients' results. So if you have a few testimonials, this is for you. And you're sick and tired of the cold DM grind and also posting multiple pieces of short form content a day, you're sick and tired of that. Okay, this is for you if you're sick and tired of doing that and you just want a consistent way of booking in qualified calls and getting dream clients who you love to serve, this is for you. And you want to do this without you. So you want to get dream clients, dream high paying clients without sending cold DMs and with an audience of less than 10k followers while working less than 4 hours a day. This is for you. And if you make at least 2 to 4k a month, even if you're in a job right now, you have a solid offer as well, and you still make that this a month, this is for you. So if you're making 2 to 4k a month with your offer, or you have a job and you're making that with it, this is for you. Okay, let's get straight into it after that. How do you get dream clients chasing you and paying you multiple 4 figures each client? Okay, so there's 2 things you need to understand, and when you understand these 2 things, you're going to make money with your offer. You're going to get clients on autopilot, basically. Okay, you need to understand the 7-hour rule, and the right attention is king. So let's get on to the first stage, which is the right attention is king. So what you guys are probably doing right now is posting short form content, but you're focused on going viral, and that is a very big mistake. That's the biggest mistake you could make. Okay, because trying to go viral is killing your business. When you go viral, you go to randoms, and randoms do not get you paid. Okay, I can say this because I've gone viral multiple times, and I know you're thinking you have 800 subscribers, you haven't gone viral. I have different accounts. Okay, I have a TikTok account which I was getting 10 million views a month on. I had 22k followers. I didn't make any money from that, really. I made £200 from that. So having a big following does not equate to cash, and having millions of views does not equate to cash either. Okay, going viral goes to randoms. Randoms do not get you paid. So how can we go to people who will actually pay us thousands? And there's 2 ways to do this. Not relying on the algorithm and run a simple ad instead, and there's getting your messaging dialed. And getting your messaging dialed is the most important step. So first, let's get into getting your messaging dialed. So instead of going to randoms, you need to focus on speaking directly to your ideal client. So you need to understand these things. You need to understand their pains and frustrations. So your ideal client's pains and frustrations. You need to understand why they are experiencing them. So what are they doing right now that's not working and not getting them to where they want to be, and is frustrating them and is causing them pains. Basically, what do they worry about before they go to bed at night? And if you sell something you've done yourself before, you probably know the pain. So that's a very big advantage of selling what you've already done in the past. Okay, you need to know their wants, needs, and desired outcome, and why do they truly want to get there. So that should say there. Sorry, guys. Why do they truly want to get there? This is important because you can then use it as leverage. So get real deep on this. You can get family based, you can get personal based. Go really deep on this and understand why they truly want to get there, and why did you truly want to get to your desired outcome when you were going through the pains and struggles. Okay, because again, if you sell what you've already done in the past, you know the pains, you know the struggles. Okay, and I was on a call with this guy the other day. He's in the music industry, well, he was, and he helps people market their music. He's been through that before, so he knows what they're dealing with. So he can speak about that within his content. Okay, and finally, what's stopping them from getting to their desired outcome? So what's in the way? What's the like kind of brick wall in the way of them getting to where they want to be? Okay, it's probably what they're doing right now. Okay, so you can mention that. And you can find these things out by reviewing sales calls you have been on. Okay, asking the clients you already have and seeing patterns. Also just asking your ideal clients, so doing some market research. But if you've already been through the same things, okay, if you're selling what you've done before, you can use that as leverage and be like, okay, what did I struggle with in the past when I was doing this and that and this and that. Okay, and your ideal client is you, if you understand what I'm saying. So where you were at the start of your journey, that's your ideal client, because if you're selling what you've actually done in the past, that makes sense. Okay, you are your ideal client because you want to help the person you were before, when you were going through the pains and struggles, get to their desired outcome where you're at right now. Okay, so within your content, you want to relate to your ideal client's pains, so relate to them. Okay, as I said, if you've been through it before, you can relate to them. Plus, you want to help them overcome them. Okay, when you do this, they will realize you are speaking directly towards them and be more likely to come onto your page and want to watch more of your content, because they realize, okay, this guy's been through it before. He's going to help me get to where I want to get to, because he's got to where he wants to get to. If that makes sense. And the second thing you can really do is run an Instagram profile visit ad. Okay, so instead of relying on the algorithm, you can pay for your ideal client to come onto your page. Okay, but I want you to realize, only do this when you have some sort of organic foundation, and because the prospect needs to get nurtured. Okay, so yeah, what you can also do is run an Instagram profile visit ad. So instead of relying on the algorithm, you can pay for your ideal client to come onto your page. And I want to make clear, only do this when you have an organic foundation, so when you have organic content on your page, because the whole goal of the ad is to get ideal clients onto your page to then get nurtured and intrigued for more, to move over to the next stage of your funnel, which should be YouTube. Okay, and what you need to do with these, when you do have an organic foundation, is spend $15 to $30 a day, test new creatives. So on a specific day each week, you can test new creatives. So let's just say you decide to test every 2 weeks on a Tuesday. So create different creatives on that day and test those creatives. You want the cost per profile visit to be low as possible, and that means your ad's winning. Okay, and if you see loads of people interacting and following you who are your ideal clients, that means your ad's winning. And then what you can do is find your winning creative and go all in on it. Up a bit of ad spend each time. Don't up it straight away, because this actually ruins the ad. Just up it slowly. So yeah, you can find your winning creative and then go all in on it. Okay, $15 to $30 a day. Really simple. You can test your creatives and then go all in on the one that works, and then up ad spend. I wouldn't say to up ad spend like quickly, like don't double it. Like go slowly on it, because sometimes it works differently. If you up ad spend, it just doesn't do as well for some reason. And make sure your cost per click, cost per profile visit is as low as possible, and that's when you know you have a winning ad. Okay, and also when ideal clients are just coming onto your page. Okay, so these two things will get you the right attention. Okay, so the next thing is the 7-hour rule. So you need to realize your prospect has to watch your content for at least 7 hours before they even consider buying from you. That's 7 hours. Okay, do you really think 30 to 60-second clips can build up that 7 hours? Yes, it actually can, but it will take a year and a half. So instead of posting multiple pieces of short form content a day, what do you do? And for the people who are stuck in this race, like just posting multiple pieces of short form content every day and wondering why they're not getting any clients, this is why, the 7-hour rule. Okay, so as you can see, this is from the internet, it's true, I haven't just made it up. The 7-hour rule states that approximately 7 hours of engagement are needed to convert a lead by building trust in a connection. So YouTube is king for building up trust And let's just quickly do the numbers behind this, okay? So if you post 21 20-minute videos, they will have built up that 7-hour rule. Insane. 21 videos, that's it, out of 20 minutes. That's insane, okay? So the main thing you need to do is try your hardest to get everyone over to long form content. It's the main trust builder and will get you qualified book calls every single week. Okay, because it's just building up that trust, it's building up that connection, and there's no other better way to build up trust other than YouTube. That's why you see all these big people on YouTube, all these big gurus on YouTube. They know for a fact it builds up the trust. Okay, so your first video should be a specific video, and this video is going to be a video sales letter, and the whole goal of this video is to sell the call. Okay, just sell the call. Sell your service on that video, sell the call. Okay, make sure people know that your process is the thing they need to get from point A to point B, and then offer your call at the end. Offer a call at the end and offer your offer. And the main goal is to lead everyone to this video, and the main goal of the video is to booking calls, as I said. Okay, so this is kind of like my video sales letter. Is 43 minutes long, so this is going to be one of your longer videos. It's going to be going through everything and then convincing people to book in a call. I don't like to say convincing, but it kind of is convincing people to book in a call. Okay, so this is the first video you should ever create, your video sales letter. Post it on YouTube, put it in a link in your Instagram bio. Okay, so I just want to walk you through the actual funnel visually so you understand what I'm trying to say within all this. So now you know the two things you need. You need like the right attention, and you need to build up trust with that attention, okay? And you need to understand the 7-hour rule. So you understand those things. Now let's run you through the funnel. So this is the funnel, okay? What we're going to do is post organic content in some of your organic, and what you need to do in some of your organic pieces of content is at the end use a call to action saying comment the word keyword and I'll send you over a free training. You have to make sure your video sales letter is done before you do that, by the way, because whenever someone comments a keyword on your post, it's going to send them over your video sales letter and also grab their email. Okay, you're also going to run an Instagram profile visit ad to get more targeted attention onto your page, and you're also going to make sure your messaging is dialed. Okay, this is going to get people onto your page. They're going to move over to your video sales letter because they're going to get hit with that with the comments, and also it's going to be in the link in your Instagram bio. They've watched that. They might not even convert from that, okay? They might not book in a call from that. That's okay, because YouTube's retargeting is insane, okay? When someone watches your video for a couple seconds, they're going to keep on getting hit with your videos because they've now watched it. It's going to be on their feed all the time whenever you post, and you should be posting 1 to 3 YouTube videos a week. And you can also get people over to YouTube with your Instagram story. So whenever you post a YouTube video, post it on your Instagram story. Whenever you post a YouTube video, promote it with email. And send 1 email a day. Okay, because you're going to grab people's emails from the ManyChat sequence. Send 1 email a day, promoting your offer, showing clients results, promoting your YouTube, giving value, whatever. Okay, 1 email a day just to hit your audience from another angle. And the people who do actually enter their emails, they're warm and they are interested. Okay, so that's who you'll be hitting from a different angle. Okay, so they're going to watch your YouTube, keep on getting retargeted by your YouTube, keep on going over to your YouTube until they're ready to buy, and they're going to go through a book a call form. Okay, so they're going to have to go through some qualification questions to book in a call, so you're only going to hop on qualified calls. Another way you can get more book calls is set people on calls. So when someone interacts with your profile or interacts with your story, interacts with whatever, reach out to them and see if they're the right fit for your service. Literally book them on a call. Okay, then they're going to go through the book a call form. Okay, but what I want to say before that is you're going to run, once you have run these follow ads for a while and you have an audience built up, you need to create a custom audience, and you're going to hit them with retargeting ads. And this retargeting ads is a DM ad, so you're going to optimize for the DMs, so for someone to DM you, and then they're going to be sent the VSL by ManyChat again. Okay, so this is just retargeting the people who have already been onto your page to, again, get in front of their faces 24/7 and remind them of you, get them back into the funnel, basically. Okay, when people booking calls, and also when people DM you after you've sent them the VSL and after the sequence has gone through it, you can try book them on a call as well, which is amazing. Okay, I'm going to go through a book a call form. Once they go through the book a call form, they're going to get hit with a pre-call sequence, so they actually turn up to the call, and they're also going to get hit with an after calls book nurturing process. Okay, and this is just sending people your VSL just in case they haven't watched it, and also creating a video going through all your clients' results in detail, so they don't ask for that on the call. And that's not one of their objections. Oh, let me see clients' results before I buy. Okay, it's not one of their objections. They've already seen it. Okay, they're going to hop on this call, and then it's going to be a send the invoice call. They're going to say on the call, they're going to be like, yo, send the invoice. Overcome all the objections within your content. So within your content, you've helped them overcome the objections, and they're just going to be asked a few questions and then just literally say send the invoice. Okay, so this is the funnel. Really simple. Content, getting attention, top of funnel, middle of funnel, building up trust, bottom of funnel, call and close. Really simple. Okay, really simple. And yeah, this is how to get high paying dream clients chasing you with a mini personal brand. The best thing about this is you don't need to have a huge following, you just need the right followers, and that's where your messaging comes in and the ad comes in and everything like that. Okay, so if you're an online coach or agency, you have a solid offer, you have proof of concept, you're sick and tired of the cold DM grind and also posting multiple pieces of short form content a day and not getting book calls, you want a consistent way of booking in qualified calls and getting dream clients who you love to serve without sending cold DMs and with an audience of less than 10k followers while working less than 4 hours a day, and you make at least 2 to 4k a month and you're an online coach or agency, booking a call down below. We want to help you do exactly that, and with an audience of less than 10k followers. Yes, okay, guaranteed to get at least 5 clients within 12 weeks. Okay, guaranteed. So if you're interested in that, what you're going to do you'll be on my video. Okay, you're going to scroll down, you're going to click on more here, you're going to click on this link here, and you're literally going to book in a call. Okay, if you're interested in that offer, click on it, book in a call, boom, go through the questions, schedule event there. So yeah, hope you got some value from this video. Thanks guys for watching, really appreciate it. Check out the free links in the description as well. Thanks guys for watching, and subscribe, everything like that, and peace.